My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware that is called JamesBond. In this video guide, I'll give you instructions on how to get rid of this JamesBond ransomware, why exactly it is called JamesBond, and what it does with your files. So I'll demonstrate to you what happens. Currently, I'm able to open my files without any troubles at all. I can open pictures, music, videos, Microsoft Office documentation, and other data that I store on my computer. But the point is that after this ransomware is successfully launched and its file is executed, the ransomware called JamesBond starts immediately encrypting your data. It then adds a special JamesBond extension. In fact, the extension is a little bit different. It's JamesBond2021 at tutanotacom JamesBond. So the ransomware tells that your files are encrypted and that there is no way to decrypt them except through my decryptor. The ransomware authors tell you to contact them by this special email address. But the point is that paying the ransom does not guarantee that you would get your files restored. And some people have paid the ransom and did not get their files back. We recommend you to immediately undertake the measures to first get rid of this ransomware. If you cannot open any of your typical browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox, you need to go to your C drive. Go to Program Files, choose Internet Explorer folder and select Internet Explorer browser because it is not affected by this ransomware. Go to the page Combo Cleaner, combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and then start examining your system with its help to make sure that your device is free of any other threats, including this ransomware. So Combo Cleaner will help you to remove JamesBond ransomware files, and with its premium version, it will help you to protect all your further files from being encrypted in the future. After you successfully download and install the Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer, you may select your preferred scan type. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives you quick scan option in the trial mode. Even though the premium version also gives you the full scan option and a custom scan. You may click on Start Scan button, and the program will prepare to scanning your computer. It will start reporting certain issues that may be related to your browser, or it may detect more serious threats. You may experiment with the preferences of Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version works very well with its feature called Anti-Ransomware. It gives you the chance to add a special folder where you may store protected items, protected documentation. But this component is only the feature of the premium version. So then while the scanning is taking place, you will be able to observe what particular threats are detected. And then at the end of scan, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The premium version of Combo Cleaner gives you important features such as anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with these three features being the part of the premium version, your computer will be fully protected. This includes protection against malware, viruses, ransomware, and suspicious pop-up ads, annoying redirections, and other troubles that people may experience with their browser. But once again, all these three features that are summarized as real-time protection are only the part of the premium version of the software. So Once the scanning is completed, you will see the complete summary of all threads that were found during the scan. You may remove all these threads with the premium version of the program, or ask for a special trial key with the limited period of usage to completely enjoy and evaluate Combo Cleaner premium version.